In this quick segment, we'll be discussing the mounting holes or the bungee holes that are all the way around the MCD itself. These are going to mount various items, some of which will be released later this year, but we've got the port cover here that will also mount to in this particular hole. The bungee system that retains the user's phone, you can weave through all the separate holes all the way around, and I've left an amount of bungee so that you can undo the knot for phones that have phone cases, or if you're not running a phone case, but usually most people are. If you're having any issues with the bungee striking the phone's buttons, see if I can get this. You can get that here. Oop. We got a volume switch here and a power switch here. So these were purposely spaced. These holes are purposely spaced so that you could undo the knot, unweave the bungee, and reweave it on another hole so that you'd be able to still be able to catch the corner of your phone and miss the either volume buttons or the power button itself. If you got any questions, feel free to email me. That will be on the accounts link. You click the link and that'll take you to the website and you can email me from there. Thanks.